Good evening, everyone. It is August 11th, 2017. Almost blanked there for a little bit. We're doing a two-box random hit break, 2017-18 Leaf in the game used. Two-box break number 12. Like I said, this is a random hit. So what we're going to do here, guys, is we're going to generate two boxes from random.org to break this in the game used. And then we're going to showcase the hits. Then we will pause the video, put these hits into a randomizer. Then we will randomize the list of names who are in here and the hits once they're inputted. And then whatever you match up with in the Google Doc is the card you will receive. So you are getting a random hit. There were 10 boxes total. So here are the boxes. Box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, and 10. Let's generate two boxes. First box is 5. It is available, so we're doing box 5 in this break. And let's generate one more box. Box 4. And box 4 is available. So, box 4 and box 5 in this break. These breaks will be for future in the game use, which I did put another two-box break back into the store. Alright, guys. Good luck. Alright, guys. First one is, whoa, it's backwards. We have an in the game use, 2 of 5. Kevin Lowe, Larry Murphy, Randy Carlisle. Nice one right there. All right. We have a Pavel Datsyuk, 28 of 35. Remember that one inscription that's going to be in Premier, Kyle, that I would love to pull for the Winnipeg Jets would be Patsuk for Patrick Laine. It would be pretty sweet. Nice. Ooh, we have a really nice one coming up. We have a 2 of 5. Stan Mikita, Gordie Howe, and Dave Keon. 2 of 5. Nice right there. That's pretty nice right there. That'll definitely deserve a home. Just warming up, that's right. We have in the game use Dave Maloney, 7 of 8. 3-color relic. Right there, jumbo patches. And there he is, guys. Auto game used. 5 of 20. There's Nico. Sweet. Solid first box. This first box was really nice. I think all the hits that came out of this first box are really, really nice. I mean, the Datsuk relic, still future Hall of Famer, one of the greats in the NHL and in hockey. Nice first box. Let's go to the second box now. Oh, sorry. All right. Next box. We have putting on the foil in the game use 27 of 30, Donald Brashear. That looks like a piece of a glove or something. Nice putting on the foil. Okay, nice. Second card. We have Alexander Ovechkin. Card number 13 of 15. Piece of Alex Ovechkin's jersey. Not bad. Alexander the Great. Next one. We have draft history, 5 of 12, 1980. So there you go right there. Yari Curry, Larry Murphy, Dennis Savard, Paul Coffey, Brent Sutter. Nice 5 of 12. 1980 draft history. Alright guys, wow, this next one is really, really nice. We have a Team 8s, 1 of 2. Look at all these guys right here, guys. Detroit Red Wings, 1 of 2 Team 8s. Bunch of legends on this 8-player relic. Delvecchio, Gordie Howe, Terry Sawchuk, Ted Lindsay. A lot of great players on here. All right, guys, and the last one is a Rare Materials 4 of 4 Joe Sakic. That is a sweet one as well. Look at the patches on this one. Obviously not in good terms right now, you know, managing the Colorado Avalanche, but don't forget that he is such a great hockey player. Alright guys, these 2 boxes were fire. Like I said, these boxes, depending what comes out, can deliver a lot of great hits. So what we're going to do, guys, is I take a little bit of time to type in these hits. Actually, I got it much quicker, so it'll probably take me a couple minutes. But I'm just going to pause the video just so you people on YouTube that are watching the replay are not waiting too long. And then we will definitely come back, randomize the list of names and the hits, and we'll see who gets what. Alright guys, welcome back. I just finished putting in the hits into the randomizer so you guys can see right here. Here are the here's the dice roller. Here are the list of names, starting with Joe Crow, ending with Trev, Last Spot Mojo, and starting with the quad relic of Low Murphy Low Murphy Carlisle relic 2 of 5. You got the Pavel Datsuk, all the way down to the Joe Sakic Rare Materials 4 of 4. So let's roll the dice. We got a 3 and a 2, 5 times on the list of names and the hits. Good luck to everybody. Remember, it's a random hit. You're guaranteed to get something, but good luck. 3, 4, 5. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After 5 times, we got Karen, you're at the top. Trev, you're at the bottom. That was 5 times, and we did roll a 5. Boom. Alright, guys. Good luck to everybody. 5 times now on the list of hits. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After 5 times, we have the Pavel Datsyuk relic at the top, and the quad relic 2 of 5 is at the bottom. So Karen, you have the Pavel Datsyuk relic, 28 of 35. Chris with the draft histories, 1980s, 5 of 12. And as well as the Team 8 Red Wings, 1 of 2. Lampros, you end up with the Joe Sakic rare materials, 4 of 4. Kyle with the Alex Ovechkin relic, 13 of 15. Trev, last ball mojo, with the Makita Howe and Keon relic, 2 of 5. Kyle, there you go, man. Nico, game used auto, 5 of 20. Logan with the Dave Maloney jumbo patch, 7 of 8. Joe Crow, you got the Donner Brashear putting on the foil, 27 of 30. And Trev, there you go, with the quad relic, 2 of 5. Well, there you go, guys. That was the break. That was Leaf in the Game Used 2-box break, random hit number 12. Number 13 is in the store. If you guys want to run one of these back, JaspysHockeyLand.com. I'm Jason. I'll see you guys next time.